And I'm before. Na pom ti siboko. So much. Akwa. And I'm sure see free or so much. Independence Day now.
Independence na mo fi.
Na no fi ada ya.
Na mo fi.
Fie kwa na wo e. Kwa ko ba bia. Okay TV.
Ma TV.
Sa. You go ba view.
Sa
Independence Day. Ba bia hu na father. Aja. Mo kwa ba bia. Independence Day TV.
Ya TV anga sa de shana ngai.
Like I'm saying, so I can just say, now, movement is so much to say, Boko, be a cause of a craft, but I got a break out. If you know my guess, if you know Musun,
oh, so Musun, not of finger hand, okay, shoot of finger hand, for more, he said, and fat. I see a dear Bakuno Massa plan so much that the Akoda, Boko Far Poda, Akoda, no more to bed, a child baby, no more national mark of form, and also so long. I get very careful one. I must secret my tight.
That one car, when you saw my competch,
I said, I don't hear so much competch.
Wow,
I saw that.
Yes,
saw that cheap. Yes, on a chair, your way evidence together. I'm a permanent. I'm a permanent. That is
because. That is just for most of the time.
Say, yow, a hilly baby.
And I say, I'm doing a complete.
Oh, so I make us a slogan, young woman. Maybe the young woman I mentioned so many years, or or no nonsense. Young also.
I say, Kenny Ibe.
I say, Kenny,
I'm a bar for the man. Now, by cross on the 10 years.
I know secret room.
So for the secret bed.
Ebe no in Paponi.
Oh.
Oh,
so I'm for the enemy. So
I'm in Chile, tell you, saw it. As a baby, it's a big cane. And I don't fancy me that there was not care when Papa Che Ebe.
Because when some watching the moon, now as a soft watching, any papa, a sin one. A didn't tell one for the ball, and the sooner me, and that's of watching the sooner me. But that's
what your culture will say. Cain, what the body I say, Bagara I say, Contomina I say, and the brain of there is nowhere in the Bible that state say, Cain the Adriania Apro and the brain of Copo.
They then are not for the body.
Then tell me, young sort of was in Yanko body. When you're doing those, okay. When you're doing Coco. Oh, yeah, when I only Yamin and Chini, Ghana, and you know, the and I was who seemed the jump. Ever who saw Yaku portrait young for boss was at the Basayam, after the bottle pay, or dine open. Bring me a new Kane, Unia Penny, Bonaman is okay. Tell it. When you portrait young for when open a more than a who blow for you. Papa offer your pay. One money in money. Make us say, wow, you're penny. Went to me only. As a man, I make up. Can you lawyer fool me? Or call them? Or Nick or 3 to be taken Papa Abadam. Okay. And I am the bomb commercial embassy because I know Bible said I'm the ye. Oh, me Charles will be showing your way. Will be showing you the city with the edge. Oh, the edge or the Muko or by heaven. If you know, the phone is so terrible by him because I got to be no baby dear food to or their phone. How could you know Miss and François? It's not ever in Babonini. Okay. Does that mean you're Kanye? I cannot give me your penny. Okay. That's what Nasha Muslim didn't say. Never in Nara Nabi Swatch. Something like I said, Janaba, okay. And Shabba, make us who can get to me, my ship. But for Penny, the great General Cassa, Satam, or Mabio, and I'm in Chelsea. All the most Cassa boy around, man. Yes. Bible sing a couple of such a most in Nero. Yamaka such a most in Arrow, you know, but most of the catch arrow and sending Yamaka such an arrow. Okay. International Smash be one Abraham done a ditcher Iber. Adam done a ditcher Adam, sorry, and done a ditcher no, or done a catcher no, to no ban. It's no ban. It's in a saga who's a young who portrayed your pumpy gyno. I got the bone your penjaman and said, Ibra, Yami won't pebble again now they call. And I'm them such a quiet bunch, what I say. And I'm a body bunch, which meant to took a chalk. I said, go so body. Not to take young assassin, and none told to say. No, we can't say. No man can't say. Can I find him your program? Comment and go because I said to your point. Yami on pebble, dear. What the mfudie na koye.
What the mfudie na koye.
Mfudie asay.
Enye mfudie asay.
Nyame na ompe mfudie.
Yam kwai. So they say ya.
Genesis 4 verses 1.
Kai mame.
Na Adam ne yire ha wo hye mu.
Kai mame.
Yin say.
Kai.
Okay.
Kai.
Oka say.
Aka say.
Ewrade da wuruma.
Ewrade da wuruma.
Na bema.
Na ja bema.
O wuri nua hebe ka no.
E no wo ni nua hebe ka no.
Na hebe yo dwanhwefo.
Tie. Na ebe ye dwanhwefo.
Na kenzu yo kwafo.
Hwe. Analyze the word. Ebe ye dwanhwefo. Ke. Ayo a form ni. Kai.
Na ba say na bi achi no.
E ba say na bi achi no.
Ke na fom nua mu be ye ewrade aye.
What is that baby apro? So I repeat ma be biem.
Verse 3. Na ba say.
E ba say.
Na bi achi no.
E na bi achi no.
Ke na fom nua mu be ye ewrade.
Analyze the word. Ke na form adwuma be ye ewrade aye.
Yes.
Ko.
Hebe so.
Hebe so.
The name mu makan a wa dore be man.
What the name mu bakan o ma dore so be ye den.
Ebe man.
What in baby see as ke dia pro. What is the baby see as ebe je na o ya apache.
Okay.
Wo bia de de na eba. Wo to board ye, me so to menken. E do ta ma me de menken ba so do board ya ba. Ana so watch mu a. Wo to ntoma. Obi so to ayoa. E do say na na 2413 wo di consider. Obi a de de ko.
Okay.
Dia me to na de ye den. E ko. Obi for ntoma man ka se me so ko pre mo di tete ko ba na 2413. Dia me to e o dwomu no. E na de ye den. Me de ko. Ke de de aba. Hebe de de aba. Yam kwai.
Na ewrade so Hebel na ye de.
Underline the word. Ewrade any so Hebel aye ye de.
Okay.
Ya nchoba bi ase Cain de asay.
Yes.
There are some people in the Bible obia no o church o masem mu. Enti o mu ni asem. De bia e bo so bia npa bonfo. But se wo be Bible tie na bofo bon koma. Wo be wo se Cain no en papa che Hebel. Hebel no se wo no.
Ahora na asem.
Wa kuni ye.
Oh, nice off for Cain.
Ah, me for so ko. Wa kanya. Dabi wa kanya na o chewnia.
Na setio. Anka na papa mu no ka Cain susu betam say bel.
Asama na na beka. Wa bia de na obia de na ye de ko Ewrade. E na wo ye papa da maka kire wo say. Papa open odwan ntwie.
Okay.
Enti oni for God bless you ma me born ntwie for bojo odwan for dia. Me check na for say. E ro na Ewrade pe.
Ya dia so na esi Cain kwan. So kwa ko busa Adam say. Papa e ko gba for dia.
Asama na beka. Me ba jo ba ma to be trust won miensa. Odo ba ku cho mu nyina. Ara na Jacob na do ba ni Joseph.
Tio. We papa na afi ni pe maka chi obi. Na so dia na si uso.
Ya me so be kira wo ni say. It is not the si obi kwa so ko busa.
Okay.
Ya me ka to about time to wumi no odo ba ku je ba ko.
Enti
esi
den ana Cain.
Aso de bia so last one can chain on about for dom.
E den na Cain susu hu say ne papa Adam aka bibia kire Abel. Enti
Ya me ka say Cain na ehuru. E later on na Abel won say Abel was boss wa for the re na Abel ehuru Cain na ma na ko bai.
No ohuru no.
Ohuru no.
Ehuru no so ba.
Wa ohuru na ko ku no.
Ensema no kan guru.
Asaba na me ka no. Sa wo ja me do so wa me no mienu nyina ko panyani. Na ye kwa ko ja American visa na me mega me de no wa ga dia. Na ka say chale next time better like next time. I don't feel for me for me class for that. Ye na be o mo masu.
Okay. Etu susu se bibi sana.
BBC sa na Abel ehuru Cain.
Na so ohuru na no chese kum no.
Asaba na me ka wo ye baboni. Wo ye ni baboni.
Wona ohuru ni.
Wo ye obon man. Wa huru bibi ana na won kire wonia
Ba sa okunu so ye bone no waye.
anya je bi nim sa me kan as at that time.
Okay.
Enti me be kan wo wi asem sisi ese obo otini hu nukura bi on kire ni nia enti odi for complete ma hu nukura bi fa odwan ho me hu nukura fa sunsun so de ho me fa chabe wona me na ne tse Abel me nye ni paponi ni tse Abel na me da de ya chama ansa se wo Yakobon ke dia pon anya tons no pe anya pa bodo do pe open na ntwe ni odwan moja
Ano so wo ye amanfo painting so your court.
I know there no nyame problem say me fa chance go jani feel to dia ni.
Okay.
Je me kan wutie me.
Me tie pa.
Ya to so e.
Na so ke aye de de.
Anso ke na ye de ne de.
Eni anso.
Ewrade ani anso.
Ke bu fu yi mu na.
He never ever, the Bible never ever stated say na ya de approach na nyame anso.
Na die ntina Bible
Wo
no
mu na ye.
ntia.
It is not
me ani anso.
Me buza question. Abortion Bible mu.
Ade a chise wa.
Abortion Bible mu.
Bible say ben.
Say abortion ni Bible mu. So say abortion e bore.
Okay.
Me boy.
traffic offense our Bible.
Okay.
Traffic light our Bible. As super cross so that as the police need to what can just a religious leader the traffic offense in the Bible when they want.
Maybe question is say. And the other portion, I mean, you make kind, Jinty, I'm an answer.
And I make sure that you mean Babo, dear.
Okay.
Yamia Gianni, Mammy Yamia Gianni. See Yamia Gianni. Can't bet Yamia Gianni, my own Yamidi.
Yes.
Yamia did 2 times a day.
Yes.
Was it breakfast? Was it supper? I mean, I go for Gianni.
I'm first spices in Yanadian.
May say, or you tap no form of spices in your
toast.
and toast and spice.
And then I said, for so,
Wouldn't say Yamia. Umo be a Gianni, Umo be the quarter Gianni or Possum.
Numbers 28 verses 1.
Numbers 28 verse 1.
The Radical Catcher Moses said,
And the Radical Moses said,
Israel for the catcher.
Israel for the Catcher Moses said,
My dear,
my dear, my Gianni.
I would go down for the
I never did the Poconia Mankin. A move from Moja for the Mammy.
okay.
I'm sure I'm from Blessing.
Moonsha, no more from Blessing.
Catcher was there.
Eh,
We got for the home family ready.
or down for the end in the General family running here.
You can tell my what dear Fiafi.
I look in a chain at the bar for the end. What I thought to somebody here. So much of
That
Casako.
one as a cuckoo. And Cassan come for was see. Right.
What is that a hotel? So much of your mind with me.
I can continue.
That could tell her. Somebody to home quite
Oh, Casabeku.
and Cabeku.
And Tim Ebbe who are Gianni and the pen. I don't mind the Gianni or the man and the quiet up with Ebbe. Yakup was up at the 19 months.
Yes.
There's any Ebbe Sudiman Yakupon.
That's it.
Genesis 1 verses 4. The Hebrews would I dear.
Watch it. Yakup was like Moses and my Gianni family. Okay, get on the man Yakupo.
You know Makaya, what brought it?
And you Makaya, what done it?
Okay.
I don't know about for complex and both guy for the what I got one both guy for the action.
And the man already.
It's a man rat. Or we said the shumbo for your phone and some more. But what me inside a carriage minister uncle who I don't go for. I do so minister so the minister the work. You can't bypass a carriage minister. What me nyasa mo kwashima police station. Now won't call dog uncles over.
It you see of Panya Breja.
Some of Panya Breja.
I'm saying Jesus Christ.
I am more charismatic for orthodox for me Christo ni. Me and Yamishumi.
Okay.
I don't worship the modern God, I worship the olden God.
You're modern God.
I was next week when I came the old God and the new God.
Now it's a Yamiasa.
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 Oh, controversial issue. Be said Yamiasa.
Yes,
oh, guy.
Was this Sunday Bennett Tilapia?
Aha. Watch my sister there security. But I see you through her make sure.
It's yes, your friends.
And then you should now go on and say yes.
No, go to some bear brand.
What you come with?
I didn't tell you, Kayam Fat.
What the nation, or the nation, but in some Kurumasi. Yamko.
The running any so Hebala, you know.
A radiant saw Hebel because a radiant Gianni.
Okay.
Which way your uncle could take? One come baby and some could take. What didn't you? Ubamuna. But if you saw the Kadipana or Bear Wall, what we catch us at the Bimus or Dano Beko could take when you for mana. Okay, Nipana and come behind Cobre 1 year to could take a swing. Get a baby Panabra Commodore.
Okay. Into the off work came Kuno.
Oh, Miss One couldn't ye.
It's Yamiaso Kia, what the man.
What did ye?
Also for us,
I don't know cookie.
Okay.
I don't know cookie. Music can't that's what you say. Can we? Me scholar. Me Bible reader, me Bible teacher, me go to Bible match maybe I can we.
Right, Abusia. When can I say argument in a so for
na me pasa me kan Bible ni wie.
okay.
Adam wo ya record e.
Yes.
Set wo record e. Di no ko tu ko soro. Ma tu sa na ya record e. La me ya record no wa ya record e. Ken nkwa ba bia no wo ba ma tro ken nyankwa. Onya age se no wi.
So no nyame ni afri.
Asama no me ka se nyame ni afri so. Asama na me ka no. Ken da so tia si motor. Ken is still living.
So di mfie se.
Asama na wo busame. Ken from abode fit ya se Ken da so tia se. Na me ba ko tu afri Bible ma kire wo.
Bishop Kwabrabo Chesiama was said Cain, our cum Abel, our Bible, Mam Numino, from Sunday school near Chilebecane, so for I would down sorry demo at the edge of Chidano. Papa say, Sakeno or Muye. So we are Bible scholar and our Bible reader, not so much me a chebe.
On your Bible, baby, a quotation
line no 0240 270 671 send the Fafa and as a Facebook page, you know, or search RTVGHR. We be live for wait my leave comments. How soon I'll call a Bishop Kwabrabo Asiama and so Facebook page obenya na live for her and so leave comment to her na fe mu prove no wrong said you come what boy
so much to aso
the right busa case say
and the right busa case say
I don't wofu
the first person to give God a cheek.
yes,
the first human being to give God the omnipotent a cheek.
and then because the first person so the wofu
Enyankopon wo timi kika afun kire Enyankopon. You na bufu wo timi aka afun kire Nyame.
yes,
Can it timi kika afun kire Enyankopon?
ye for no kind
Tie
the right busa case say I don't wofu no
I na abuofo no amunai.
oh ye di ya
Sanka wo ye ni ya and I like that word. Sanka you grind me by ya anka wo ye de me pa anka wo ye ni ya ko woni mo ntiana.
that's why ye di ye ti
Wa ye ni ye ko fa body ni menka di abra mi ti abra mi di body do.
mo ni tu plan
tio
Body tie.
plan
Nyame na kasi ke.
yes me ba o ken who say nyame ama ebela ma nyame egan bi no ye na ketwa de nyame ofu etikaje body e de man kani wa mo ato
Yeah, wo force.
nyame fa bon kwa
There be five ke wo force ro na.
so for the
I swear for the anya asumdie atu o shi gan no. Etu fufuo nka ho ho.
saka o ma body de panchi
Let me explain something.
why you like soup
Let me explain something to you. One, in the era of Adam and Eve and Cain, God came down.
okay
Na Nyankopon ne ti wo se omudi nkomo.
okay
And I ebe na ba for the
oba form
oba form.
Okay.
Quote me.
na nyame si form
Nyame si form nante.
ana mo do mani ku
Omo do ma ni ho odom ankoma face to face.
say yes so bia no ode na nya hu Nyankopon da
Dabi Adam hu
Moses
Nyankopon.
kra na so hu na chi
As Moses, Adam hu Nyankopon. The firstborn. Tie.
Genesis 3 verses 8
Go.
what ye rade Yakupon kasa wonam trom ho anwumram
What ya rade Nyankopon ka se wonam tro no mu ha anwumram fam. Wonam. O si form nante keep no ba. Kai
no bere wan de ni ko interview rade Yakupon ani
enim that is obo hu papa no.
so mo ko tete
Don ko tete.
okay
o trom ho nuanum na rade Yakupon frɛ no
O frɛ no.
o bisa say
Adam.
wo he
O wa he.
wo se
O say.
te won ka o
Me
trom
ti won ka o tro mo.
Roy.
Me sure.
se bda ja
If you say that again.
tai
e ho na bi mbusa kwahye say nti na nyame hu sa da wadwane e o se uza so wo
Yen to aso tie.
okay
Tie. Ken da so tia tia me no ka say.
sa sa me dem person ke ba
Ken the mui. Ken is immortal. According to the Bible.
ti o ti ase so obofo ana so
One chance is above. Ken is still living.
as a demon
Ken is not a demon. He's an immortal.
o ti ase
Otiase. Eti onkofo bi o masifo e Ken. Eti me tro bi say what our problem we of face was see ni Ken.
okay but yen hwe eye asotwe nyame de ma ke
Eno na me ba be ka kire wo no. Eti wo face our problem we are no pay. Wo adam for be face our problem na no pay. O papa, o nana nka so o nana great grandfather e Ken.
ene so mu
Tie.
ake ka tell you say
Kire ka kire ni ase.
e kwafu
Mi akwa
fa
fu.
so wo fu no
aforbo na chi no
Aforbo na chi no. Omo wo fu onu no.
ke so ri tell you hebel
Ken sorry tia. Ye de wo fu si no omo wo fu onu. Ye na Ebel ye Ken wo fu mo sorry tia.
ena so se no uhuru no
Ah. And said ya bo obi abaso. Ya mo obi na uhuru ni pa no. And said ya ayu mo si o e fa se po ya ma npa. Na wa po obi asema ma ni pa no ka. Na ni pa no so dia ka no di like bo o ba na me ma le so bo nso gu ho. Ya na ba obi di betimi di pa no kwa ko bo so so ku no. E hinti.
okay
E ba so mu wa fu mu no. Ya na no mo ye wa fu mo.
okay
Kan so
ke so ri tell you hebel
Ken so di tell me Ebel.
no ku no
Oku no.
rade busa ke say
Ana urade busa ke se.
he na wonu hebel
Ehin fa na wonua Ebel wo. Na timi busa ko se ojo oku no nyame nim se waku no.
obi se mi musa kwahye bi se so sina ke ti ase no one su yire bre no na ke we
Asema na me ka no. No one should ana be say me baba be church mu.
am yam de ntia ke ti ase
Oh, somebody ask sometimes people ask unnecessary
I
questions.
say fu si wona no mo ho nkwan
Me ba me dia dia ne ba. Oso si ensu yire chi no we. Come on.
na ke ka tell you say
Aha.
me kwafu
Me akwafu.
ba so wo fu no
E ba so wa fu mu.
ke so ri tell you hebel
Ken so di tia ni nua Hebel.
no ku no
Ana oku.
na rade busa ke say
Ewrade sa be busa ke say.
he na wonu hebel wo
Eja ke no want to say me ho ye. Eja ke no want to say.
no ye
What did you no pay? What did den? Kokote de den. Bibi aboko. O papa Adam we.
adam kwafu
Na ama ni Eve we.
no so ko
Because I know na unia ebewe. O to aso se question be do be nyame.
E ra no busa ke se.
Unia ebewe.
He na unia ebewo.
Wo
si bi ni.
Wo si bi ni.
Mi ni aso hwefo de mi.
Mi aso hwefo no chick. Me na hwem ni aso. Wo di nyame jira o kasa se ya no. Me na hwem ni aso. What do you mean? Ko je ebe ja na uni ba no. No na je na fo do.
Say nyame so ni se ke na kun ebe.
O ke say na me ka se me ba. Wo no mo nkwan me ba se yo da do ye nkwan.
Unu emoja tiam fra asase so.
Ne ti nyame ni se ni emoja tiam fra asase ase ma na no se busa ke se ni nya we.
Okay.
Kama me.
11. Afọ no mo fra asase a bi na no ase bi emoja na fru.
Tie ayi no. Tie no me no. Me pata o yi wa so ma. E tiefo ni o ma so mo tie no me no. Asofo ni o ma so mo tie no me no. Obi a wo tie me bia wa som na no a obe so challenge tie no me no de ma no tie nsema wo no me no. Yanko.
Na afei.
Verse 11 ye.
Wadu mo fra asase a bi na no age wunu.
Number 1. Ya do me wo fra asase a wo bi na no age unya monja na free wunsam. Me pa cho me busa obi wo e ne shahen.
Okay.
Obi wo e ne shahen.
So mo hwe na ya no.
Obi wo e ne shahen.
Asase
do me because unya monja ba be so ompewa. Asase reject wa. E ba na be wo e no be shefom.
Okay. Tell me your first point.
1 point.
1 point. Asase reject you.
Basa
who so intimi fancy o wie
o si ni nua no moja no waje free ni nsem
o ti ase o da me to
o se na fi wa ti mo fra asase abie na no age wu nua moja
wa dome e wa asase na abie na no age wu nua moja nti ya dome o timi nko asase dabi asase reject o.
Okay.
Number go second point
so o do asase a
afa so number 2 kura no wo so sa do asase a
enkoso ma ono ma ye biim
enkoso ma ono ma ye biim
na wo be kuboni ni asesaboni wa
number 3 ato be kuboni asesaboni era den
wa asase so
asase ne so 3
that's why asesaboni ni aso call TV and for want to chede
yes na bonsam ka Yakubu busa da no homa me bonsam de no o say fa na free bay yam kwai
so free asase ano no
o say asase so chinchin ni anantie be ba cho me busa ye wo de tie me
so ka se kin no
oh that be nyasa wo de tie asem
Job 1:6
go
that be so don be jina rade ni Satan so di won bai na rade be say Satan e na free bay na Satan busa wo rade say
kai
me fra asase so chinchin ni asase so anantera na me
bonsam wo Seta wo eto so frata se so chinchin na nantie na ke so nyame adumi so fra obe frata se so chinchin no be nantie ke wo.
Okay.
Number 4 points.
Okay, ka chere say me boni so de che se metumi asoa
Me boni ama Yesu ade che se metumi asoa hwe
opa me na fra asase so
and what is all me what's up pamu na fra asase so
na me hunta free body
masa ko hinta free body
na ma yakuboni ni asesaboni wa
ma yakuboni ni asesaboni according to your own words
no obi na obi hume no
wo bia obehume no me pa jo Adam and Eve ene nyame bo omo ene omo Cain and Abel enti wana na wa asase ne so a Cain ni complain so ohu obeku
no na betime ya no because na ye odifu
enti me pesa so for no mo challenge me no o me kira mi krofo kura Cain ka say obi hu no obeku no simple
just say basa na wa po ato
me poto
wa po ato kire say o me hu say na obi wa fe Lilith
me see na ni pa wa asase ne so
ansa na nyame bo Adam
ni Eve na there were people living on the earth
sanko no mu fi
I hold na me and from aliens no
omo na bo
omo so wo nyankopon yes
na de nyame yo mu say
ye wo mu bebre
apart from so akase ye wo
more than God bebre mami onyankopon ba bi friend Ashota nyankopon ne nka Ashota
ono ya fan
wa ye oyo onyankopon ba Israel nyankopon ne nka si wo chiri kokoko wo onyankopon
kanse mo
ani edomasifo nyankopon chi o mo nyame bi betu do bi nyame bi abo nya cho
so ma no me nyankopon
me so mo ye nyame ya ka se nyame o ta se God small God omo so bo ade me na nka che e ku ni pamu omo ne o ye from masifo aliens celestial beings
yes
UFO go
1 Kings 10:4
uni se be ko tu
Solomon ko kura bremu no
enum
dane na kuma kodi anyame
me enum dane na kuma kodi anyame underline that word anyame fufrachi
na kuma ani awrade nyankopon ko se na David akoma
kan
na Solomon kodi Sodom fo nya mewa Ashtoreth
Sodom nya mewa female goddess Ashtoreth and Ashtoreth
ya mon fo Malcolm
and amon fo nya ku prefer Malcolm
ye chiwade na chi
okay
aya chiwade ma Israel nya me chi was a short dance amon e nya short dance pe Solomon si o nya ma go si o wo si a short dance man Israel fo nya ko si a short dance ma Malcolm was a short dance ma Ashtoreth
verse 7
kan
and no Solomon si so be ma mo before Chemos chiwade
na no na nya bosom
on tiasie
menchase
ya Kenya me forget bosom
na so nyame na so bosom
aso nyame na so bosom
say we na obobo din na stro tete ne
wo mo ye nyame mo da so ho
aye somo mo
ma ebi mo somo mo
o mo so bo ade
me na me ka kire omo wo nipa enye from aliens no
into omo je
Satan
mo so be bo nkrofo ate
Saturn Pluto Mars Jupiter ni nyina ye gods
o mo so bo ade
omo so abo ma de omo wo so
na sam ka say planet a bo ade na nkasa de bo
wa na ka jo to ba de na bo planet no
nji say ake no planet be so
me pacho the Americans
because
say
asase
Cain walk this earth on this earth Cain is still roaming about
how na yere na matter
I want them because the yere na matter Yakopon kese wo mo o kese Cain one Cain is immortal omu
na say dia boso dia we say generation
when Americans one finance fwanka
okay Cain ko na brenda
oh tie what it you take Cain no me
we have one for messages in Libya
was so be kume tie do kan no
hwe wopom ma na filasasi so
kama me
na ma hintafi woni
kama me
na ma yakubo ni ne osaponi wa
kama me
no biara obehumi no
tie obiara obehumi no
obekume
obiara obehumi no fasos obiara obehumi no obiara obehumi obiara obehumi Adam Eve kama me osinyame bo be ma ni oba enko na obo mo na obiara ni ho why na Cain ko bezu
papa bi say me kan cho say enye ayi Cain ene ku o say dey wasi Cain o ye fro bi Lamech onu mu ni ku Cain ana ka kina wo
Lamech ye ke
wasi ye kan Genesis chapter 4 verse 15
oh shit
was it Genesis 4 verse 15 and I only Bible man
o de kan
4:15 was it wani ka kira no say enu nti obi a obekum Cain no onu obo so wura ahodom
other the fan ko quotation kura
obi obekum Cain
obi kura obekum Cain
Sir Johnson anane
the person who would even kill Cain
I was 23-24
24 was it the right catcher say enu obi obekum Cain no obeto no so wura ahodom so the right yen senjeni bi ma Cain
I want mama onim Bible mu
obi a owu na nkuno
23-24 no so me he na mini ba bi Lamech no ko hia Cain no so obo na ba na o de tia na wo no
was it verse 24 no was it na say what talk so wura branso a Lamech de edosonso anu no jeza o de kuno
ana jeza okuno
na Lamech no ye den
Lamech ye wan asini
Lamech ye friend say Lamech ye Cain asini o
okay
Lamech ye Cain asini
was a Cain
was it Cain asefo was it like verse 17 was it like Cain ni hia mo nyi say no we no no ye kubi no de ba he no to na he no ku era na era wo mahuya na mahuya wo Metusa wo Lamech
okay
edike nana ene Lamech
yes nana council akra
obu wa wo ya ntiteni sa message so obu ni Bible mu a me pese me ni be ye ikura wa ma tie sikura so ba kire nsa ko oni Bible ni oh me ni ba ni man ko cheche to say can wuyi obi a pon wa ya ma ni mba wo platform no so
so kwa mu na afira asase so
kama me
me nto afira ni
kan
ma ya kuboni no saboni wa asase
kama me
obi a obehu no
kan
obekume na right catch and say
ana right catch and say anunti
obi a obekum Cain no
obi bia no obe dey so ni sa ba catch no
batoro so wura ahodo
obe to no so wura ahodo nson
na right yen senjere bi ba Cain
ana wura ni yen senjere ni bi ma Cain
no obi a obehu no
se ba yo obi a obehu no
wan kuno
ti Lamech no
kuno Jasa so dem chete obi obehu Cain biaro eni kwa so ye dey
what is that kind of
dey na Lamech ti bi ku Cain
enti Cain asefo no ene no sa asenso de no wo ho ana
da bi o so ma wo Cain asi ni bia mo ma so
okay sunsu no
me na me ka
tell mo ma so e
tie
na me se
wo si dai wo bia wo ya ade wo to he obi a wo go bra wo hu na no fisi a wo 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 sa ade wo se mu a Cain na chance de wo so ya on go for was as so ka on kra ko mamu as wo me fa no
okay
ya bo tru ko janka ko ta ka mo ka de be mo na ko na hospital wo zan wo
be sa to
wo bia di 102 years of so wo wo me fa no wo bia brefin ko na prema be simie wa do ko anu ko ka be so wo bia wa ni makoma ko 12 ka 12 ni na ye ja no
okay
we ke na sin ya shawo nso enti wa shanso de Nyankopon ni shake na Bible say obi obehu ke no
wa nkuno ti obi ni wa o so ti ku ke
and so obi ti ku ke na asase so opuna ke no we
anam ka say o planet be so
so na me mami asase apo
e planet na opuna dia
asase apo
Jupiter
asase apo so wu am yansio ombel funu asase ni
yes
onyame apo nyame so saka twese mo obi anku enti sisi ke wo wai
adania sesabo
da se wonam sa okwa ha wo ba ha
ewo ba ha tuma mo awura honhom no wo ko ke pen
nyame ni pen ni hu ke ta
honhom ta
but asema me kema confirm wo bofo anim
bofo jagrade
me na me ka to play na so nam
se kenam
Kenda so nam that's all he said kenda so nam
onko chere mro ya person me person kuma oso bofo pane jagrade akwa chicken bro
na busa
can
ka sa ba ko let me tell you something
sa ba no ko ware no go free hifa
busa ho sa question no Bible say that Cain akwa ware na omo wai na ipa sa na wo ko ware
verse 17 verse 17 na Cain na iri shia mu
Cain na iri shia mu
onyinsai
me pa cho ni iri be no ni shia
sa ba no hu ne he
o hu ne he was in the better ben e ya pan ba
I don't know one can also
underline the word say was see Nyankopon ya ahyansudie bi na obi obehu Cain wankuno
say ye titre na so Satan na Adam and Eve
Adam and Eve because of me for no go ni ya Cain
na nya won set so
ya nya won set ya kum ni ya Cain sorry ya kum ni ya Abel
Cain kwa
aja Adam ni Eve Cain so kwa poye ai fa na Cain ko show ba se ne pe
na sama no ko hana
bo mo People start questioning.
And the why you so much man.
I don't know. Make sure see you when you be wo. Who himself one or better Adam and Eve. No, your man so go to India. You nyame boss roba as na India oh.
So for no pay I say. You are so too controversial.
Adam tried committing suicide. Adam tried committing suicide 71 times. Well,
I didn't tell us
because sending a yapon.
Adam
tried suicide. You have put free. Eddie, come on here. Kai, oh, I ran it.
I'm not quite a man.
Me so to go get people in teams. No, John have a buffon. What's that? Sorry.
Genesis 3 verses
Now me poor Adam.
verse 22.
Kai.
Genesis 3 verse 22. No, already me can say.
Already me can say. Hwe.
Onipa ye say emu baako.
Onipa ye say emu baako.
Emu papa ne bode.
Kai ma me.
Afei. Ye be na won trans on trans nsa anti nkwadua no so bia nia trans dan. Already me ko tu ni firi e di ntro wo.
O tu ni firi e di ntro wo.
So nkodo asase. Onkodo asase no mfiri mu. Na opamo onipa no.
Opamo onipa.
No jaframa.
No the chele bi ni jaframa.
Afira ayedi ehimesi
ehimesi edrem tro
ho efam se wonwe okwara ade nkwadua no
akwati Garden of Eden that's what see
yes and the mean ye na just say ayasemo na nyame nim se nkwadua bi onso so a sa Adam
I don't want to turn free o
obetrase afebo
I don't want to turn free o
and ye timi ko hwe san nkwadua
ana make sure say Eden wo see
ayi benya kwa timi
wa yire free ni pan so Eden wo between Ethiopia and Euphrates Eddie, I want to walk you free. Kai mame, go.
Nice and quite any see.
I just want to see the tree of life.
Would not TV this a woman that
I don't know.
Genesis 2 verses.
They can damage that child.
So one you know consume feelings.
On you know feelings. And a punishment for the rest of his life.
Okay.
Genesis 2 verses 8. Kind. The Radi Yakupo ye trobi wo Eddie.
When Yakupo Tradia po ye trobi wo Eddie.
Ah, a well poe from.
I will poe east. Ethiopia were here east. That's it. Kind.
The Radi Yakupo man, you have to now re AFM. Ah, yes, I would yes, I said so. Quadria. There's so many free Eddie.
Everything no. In so many trip and so many trip for Eddie tro.
before throne
ebe fa throne nim
if you want to move by years 39
if you want to move by years to 39
you can your passion and on the control to havela sasisika e wo so
kan
sasu susika isika papa aha ona bedola aduham aha ya bo bibi wo aha na su atosu mi the friend gay home aha and the control to kus aha asase no isusia aha na su atosu mi sane hedikil aha and na asere wa Syria puye aha na esu atosu na e wo afrate.
Bible there, don't go there. I know there. I know what I'm saying. I say what I know. Okay. Tell me that's what I say. Me no can say.
I say I came. You might go with dinner.
Oh, Ferrari, you go. You toss me back. Or that would me back. Me back. You were kind for us for more Ghana this year. Every more US this year. Every more be I can see me walk.
I didn't show.
Oh, US in here and the whole children in our why you be gay? Why you homeless? As all US.
That's a way nipa na be bia na Yahweh pia.
Me see mark wo mama so.
Na no ho akwanya bi o.
And your friend and Sroma no
star no.
What ye yi?
Na no sa na basa akwanya bi o ho a try star yi.
What dey be there's no pastor. I don't tell anybody choose of A. So I guess that's of 1 million.
Na be do anima.
Me na me come to be me come to be yet. You can't reverse it.
Nyame na na ide sa.
Me na me catch your brain.
So for chetro so my.
Eto bi akosofu e osofu ni power sofu bi we chira sofu organ chiri mana nya sofu ni 9 million yo we problem that is unsolvable.
This is called over pack.
But I'm catch your career king.
So what check my.
Verse 16
Come on.
na kan Ferrari nim koy
Can Ferrari nim koy
okodra no asase so
e no kontra not asase so edin apueye.
Okay.
na kere de ni hia mu yin na onyin say
say repeat k no me no.
na run buza ke say we have a way that's right no was bi we do so we for me ala
kan
no see ye no way we am moja no team free asase so afa wadom wo free asase a bia na no age we am moja no free wonsam
wadom wo free asase a bia na no age wo nua moja no wonsam
so wo asase a am go so ma wo
kan
no ma e bi kan wa yakubo ni asesabo ni wo asase so na ke ka kire wurade say the body so the chance between asoa hwe pam na free asase so
na dey had am dey no
na ma himta free wadi
kan
na ma yakubo ni asesabo ni wo asase so
go
obiara obehumi no
go another obehumi no obekume.
Yes.
It is two things. Either somebody died through natural death or somebody killed somebody.
Okay.
Both spiritual or physical. Say the nyame kan na nyame bu fui. Or who can kill you? Say
the right catcher say I don't see obiara obekum ke no
wo bia wo ne say be keke na ku ke no
obeto so ra ahodo nso
wo beto ne so wure ahodo nso.
the right jensen jensen bi ma ke
Awurade ye nsankyani bi ma ke
obiara obehu no
wo biara obehu no
ankuno
ankuno.
That means that Cain etiase.
Cain da so tiase say he is immortal.
Odi djuma ben.
Oni djuma wo yakobo lo wo ne nam.
Sabe de minha pode saber.
What no well he or change.
Yes.
Sometimes no she biya ta si wa ifo ama so she atare te se wo a wonam ho.
She an crop pursuit.
Wonam ho.
We should Rolls Royce.
Wonam ho.
Pontiac.
Wonam ho.
Odi station class up.
Ken ni wui. Ken is still living.
Now aja said na bobo so no say nyema bi obi hu na bra bomo che so we Cain asini no. Nipa no ontimi den ho da.
Ontimi den ho da. Ya onkofo bi o meka wo videos yo onkofo bi o do problem ni ko wu.
Se case no so nke na nye generation.
So fu bia ntimi nye.
Like a case in generational case.
Let me tell you something. If it be G,
yes.
Human G.
Okay.
Also, boy, you brody. Obetma wo wo bibini. Nina na bi, fanta after sibi. Nina na bi ye bibini nti no ko wo ye na ko wo bibini.
O de be ma Ghana for cratia see. You to by timoni e ba ye ko.
Be that say. Wa ko fani na bi.
Okay.
Moja.
Yes.
Etade na no ma mienu. Ya wo de fa wo mo. Anya wo de amfa.
Nti se nei ma bra bo asesa.
Why ja me say obi akira sofo bia wo hye o Ghana bia ni bana kiri so akwa ko TV Joshua wa akwa ko Nigeria for sofo che say Ghana wa akwa ko bedi he was still problem na so ho
wonya sure say bia no nya ndru ho ntia
dabi
mani para na ma ho nya la
me ho nya last stop bit bi nyini pa no
kama no me so hwe
dabi na de to bi oba mo bia the problems of e yo bi oba mo bia the problems of e te no na ma nam so ko busa bo fa ja kore ja say okay e no so ko fo mu ho for the rest of our life no me dan so on timi nya ho to da
but ya okay you obi mo ho a omako abcd and so when does mean say we na no
bia
no nya metru
enya sana me cho say you obi wo wa the problem no entry solve da ko bi so be wu enti won function akọ mo say aden enye yi
me je no tum but me am te here no problem mako papa a so for b so for c ho em fa ye na mate say wo ka
I guess me bo obi abemu
yes
dia make can say no tina busa hia no
okay to say ni pa be ye
say be ya ni pa no waste time ko busa for ye busa the problem na dam so abeko and I
say nya no hwan ho conform malam
sun sorry before
sorry
sun sorry
okay so we say ba ho
enya mi say sun sorry ah di pa no wo hye enya sa na ma fo sun sorry o ma be me ba o mu so di for complain say ma ye sun sorry o mu so di bia say o ko to bi sun sorry ni
o mu so di ni ma say
o mu say me ye sun sorry be brace
o me say no
the brace on ye boom go for be pure
I don't can never come on
be pure you know that just your charismatic force of the genuine
oh yes
genuine charismatic pastors are me poor massima me dom and I for so be from bega for on bega you see sun so no munya careful they get them can sun so na sun so dey obeti na ho so ko
okay
bega for na ba be frem what is the change ko master ti bobi o ma start butcher bi e ma start da alaka semna ene no ma ye semna me no semna na fitina ye bi
o mo benya ba yi na so
brother Ghana for that go man this no mo tuo gu so eti ke ni wi ke da so tiase it was in the care for zaguti
now how would I know
and am I sure no
said you okay
if you say was so you obi aba no kaka you obi na ye de sa e de obi fi si e wo no me say 5 million ko ni kan nzaka
aya I don't gina nfi bia magdi so a minya abrabo mo nje bi sa no
me na me ka tell
tender age ne ba ya bia
me see wo bia breastfeed
25
wo bia breastfeed ko na bre ma nya 70 years o da so bre o ko nsuo
na se bia ko ba se wona so for boachi enuanom ye funu ba ko wa yeye kitwa yi no so yi ba so for boachi apani no enko yi ma na e beto ba so no ye ken ninya
I went to my so ye ken
na bi no me nye ke
a so so ye ken na sibi
besi da sisi
e beto sisa
when yes spiritual
spiritual
okay
e beto sisa e beto sisa
ba ebeli on wo
ebe do oko ken da so tiase